Have you ever wondered how apps know your name, how WhatsApp sends messages, or how passwords are stored? Everything starts with strings. Today, you'll master Python strings from the absolute basics, including indexing and slicing. By the end of this video, you'll be able to extract any part of a string with confidence. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous videos, we have already learned variables, input outputs, operators, conditional statements, loops, random module, functions, and built a chatbot and calculator. Today we are starting one of the most important topics in Python, strings. Almost every Python program uses strings, whether it's a chatbot, login system, email validator, or text editor. So let's understand strings from the basics. What is a string? A string is simply a collection of characters. Characters include letters, numbers, spaces, and special symbols. As long as they are enclosed inside quotation marks, Python treats them as a string. Let's take more examples. Without quotes, it's an integer. With quotes, it's a string. There are three ways to create strings. This is the example of single quotes. The second one is using double quotes. Third is using triple quotes. Triple quotes are mainly used for multi-line strings. Let's understand quotes inside quotes. Suppose we write, this works because the apostrophe doesn't end the double quoted string. But if we change double quotes to single quotes, it will show us the error. Python thinks the string ends after I. The correct way to write this is, the backslash tells Python that the next character should be treated as normal text. So this is working fine now. Next are escape characters. Let's see how escape characters work in Python. Backslash n is a new line character. Backslash t is a tab space character. Backslash quote allows quotation marks inside a string. Next is string indexing. Every character has a position called an index. The index of character p is 0. The index of y is 1. For t, it is 2. For h, it is 3. For o, 4. N, 5. If we want to access the first character, we can write name of 0. Indexing always starts from 0. To access the third character, we will write name of 2. To access the last character, we will write name of 5. Next is negative indexing. Negative indexing starts from the end. Hence, p in Python is stored at index -6, y at -5, t at -4, then -3, -2, -1. If we write name of -1, n is printed. -t is o. -6 is p. Index out of range. The string has only 6 characters, so index 10 doesn't exist. Hence, it will show index error. Indexing gives us one character. Slicing gives us multiple characters. The syntax is string start colon end. Remember, start is included, end is excluded. This is one of the most important rules in Python. If we write 0 colon 3, the output is, so the indexes 0, 1, and 2 are included. Start from index 0 and stop before index 3, hence PYT. Let's take another example. Start from index 2 and stop before index 5. If start is omitted, Python starts from index 0 and it will stop before index 4. If end is omitted, Python goes till the last character. This copies the entire string. Next is step value. The syntax is string start colon end colon step. Let's take one example. It takes every second character. This will also return the same output. It starts from index 1 and takes every second character. Let's reverse a string. The negative step means move backwards. This is one of the easiest and most common ways to reverse a string in Python. Let's take more slicing examples. This will start from index 4 and goes till the last character. This example is using negative index. Minus 4, it starts from minus 4 and goes till the last character. This starts from the first character and stops before the character stored at index minus 2, which is E. In this example, the entire string is copied, but it will take every third character. It starts from the first character and takes every third character. Strings are immutable, which means if we try to change any character of the string, it will not allow us because strings are immutable. Strings cannot be changed directly after creation. This property is called immutability. Just pause for 5 seconds and predict the output of this code. It started from the index 1, 2, 3, and 4. It will stop before 5. Hence, YTHO. Pause it again and predict the output. The output is THON. Let's change the string. Because start and end indexes are not given, hence the entire string will be taken, the entire string will be considered, and it will take every second character. Write your answer in the comments before running the code. In this, it will move backwards and every second character will be taken. N, I, A, U, E. So today we learned what is a string, different ways to create strings, escape characters, positive indexing, negative indexing, string slicing, step value, reverse strings, and string immutability. In the next video, we'll learn the most important Python string functions like len, upper, lower, title, and many more with real life examples. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your answer to the last predict the output questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.